Hello, this is Maniratnam. I'm a chartered accountant, having practice of 7 years, and my membership number is 297714. Today, I'm going to present you a beautiful invoice processing tool. With this invoice processing tool, we just take a photo of it and PDF, and we can convert the data from invoice to financial statements. And we can get the output data in Excel format, PDF, CSV, Tally importable file, and a GSTR1 file importable. It means you are saving a lot of time and you can invest that valuable time in new things. Today, I'm going to present you through a powerful presentation, powerful slides, and also the practical session in which you can get the full knowledge. Shall we start? I'm sharing my video. This is my presentation. I2F Invoice to Financial Statements. It is my capstone project. My name is Anna Maniratnam. It's a financial automation tool, bridging the gap between invoices and financials. The invoice processing tool is an intelligent web-based platform that automates invoice management, data extraction, and financial reporting. It transforms raw invoices into PDF, JPG, and PNG formats and into the structured financial records, tax reports, and accounting ready exports, eliminating manual bookkeeping and reducing the errors. So you are saving a lot of time. My project objective is simple: automate the process, automate extraction, reduce manual efforts, generate dashboards, which is flexible for me to analyze the data, and monthly sales of a customer or a vendor or my own office. Flexible reports. That means whatever the output is extracting from invoices, it is the in a desired output. Excel, CSV, PDF, Tally, XML, and GST formats, and seamless sharing. Share reports directly via WhatsApp and mail. GST compliance. Improve accuracy in GST and financial reporting for Indian standards. So it is a very efficient tool which converts this data and key features at a glance. And there are different modules in this app. Invoice upload module, where you can upload your data. And OCR and data extraction, you can trigger the process and it will convert the data and it will show a success message. Editable data table. If there is any mistake, you found out, because many people will write manually even in these days also. So when you are doing that work with this tool, there will be some mistakes with his handwriting, but it will definitely extract the data. If there is any worst case, there is an error, you can edit that. Dashboard and analytics, so that what is the total sales value, taxable value, invoice value, and the GST amount you have to pay. And export and sharing. As earlier I said, you can share the data in different modes, different formats. And the currency support system is, as of now, is Indian currency system. So I'm to support the Indian accountants and chartered accountants with this app. And system architecture is user authentication. That means you can use your mail ID, Google Mail, and you can log in into that app. Invoice upload and management. It's a drag and drop case. Just you have to drag it or upload it, or you can click on that and the file selection will be opened, and you can select that whatever the invoices you have to extract it, and just click the button. OCR process engine, AI powered data extraction. That means whatever the as like human things, the AI will think. So it is my replica. Invoice data validation, field checks, duplicate detection, GST format validation, whether it is GST, CGST, SGST, or UTGST, or IGST. Dashboard and reporting, real-time analytics and financial summaries. Export and sharing, multiple format exports, report distribution, tally and GST integration. It's very, very beautiful. So that we can save the lot of time at the end of the year. And sometimes the other persons or clients will give the data, a lot of data at the end of the year. We will suffer a lot, and we have to sacrifice our private life and personal life and other things also with this time consuming process. If you use this tool, you can save a lot of time and you can have peacefully relax, and is automatic creating of accounting ready statements. It is my application workflow. Login, access the application securely, OCR extraction, upload, drag and drop the browse invoices, validate and edit. Dashboard analytic capabilities and monthly spend trends, GST distribution, vendor wise tracking, total spend in INR, total invoices processed, expense category analysis. It will show the whether it is blocked one or eligible one, and the export and compliance formats. That is CSV, Excel, PDF, Tally, XML, and GSTR format. And these are the recommended technology stack for any app. If we want to work it properly, should be a front end, back end, database, and deployment and processing. It is very much required for successful working of an app, seamless working. Conclusion: my efforts put into this app only for reducing the manual work and improving accuracy at the same time. GST compliance and scalable platform. At the end of this, I'm closing this slideshow. Now I want to show the practical case study. This is the invoice processing tool. I have developed this with Google AI Studio. And back to start, you have to log in, and then Google AI Studio, you have to log in, and next go to the apps, and then apps in invoice processing tool. It will open. You can use it through mobile, tablet, or PC or laptop. So any kind of device you can use it. And this is the user interface in which there is a dashboard and invoice upload, reports, send mail, and WhatsApp sharing. So you have to use the invoice upload option, browse file system, and then these are the dummy invoices which I generated through the using the ChatGPT. Whatever the data is in this invoices are all dummy invoices only, dummy data only. There is no real data. After uploading this, I'm just all invoices are uploaded. Next, I have to trigger the process. By clicking the trigger batch process, it will capture the data from the invoices, and then it will show a success message where the invoice is fully extracted. You are seeing the success message. It's just taking 30 seconds for 10 invoices. That means if you take the 30 or 40 invoices, it will just take only 1 or 2 minutes. So you're seeing that last 2 invoices are capturing. And next, the success message will come for these invoices also. And later on, there is some issue in this. Again, I'm uploading this. Next, trigger batch process. It will take just 30 seconds. If analyzing is completed, then it showed the dashboard and the exportable formats at a once. Yes, the data is extracted from the invoices. If you can see this invoice, this is the invoice which are generated through ChatGPT. Echo Ledger Systems, Echo Ledger Solutions Private Limited, Chennai Tech Distributors Private Limited, networking router, LED monitor, the rate, and the quantity and the terms and conditions, everything, invoice date, so everything. And if you see this one, another file there. These are the data extracted from these files as it is, and you can check it. This is a GST portal ready Excel sheet and tally export ready Excel sheet and normal Excel sheet and PDF format. It is a PDF format, invoice number, party name, date, tax breakup, total INR. These are the invoice numbers, Chennai Tech, Eco Ledger Solutions, Tamil Nadu place of supply, type of GST is IGST because it is an interstate sale. So that from Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu means IGST will apply, and the total amount, tax amount, and the category of it is technology. That means it is a capital asset. If the supplier is using for his business purpose as a utility for continuing the business, it will be treated as a capital asset. And if it is using as a stock for the furtherance of business, that means sale, then it will be treated as a closing stock. So if it is considered as a closing stock, there will be no depreciation. If it is considered as a capital expenditure, then depreciation you have to calculate on the value, on the taxable value. You have to collect the GST. You have to claim the GST 50% in the first year and 50% in the second year, so that your work will be completed. And this is a tally purchase. That means tally ready Excel sheet. So date, purchase type, invoice number, party name, GSTN, place of supply, and purchase at the rate GST and taxable value and the IGST amount and total amount. And narration is invoice so and so is processed by a assistant. And next, you can see the generated data you have seen. In this, you can enter your mail and it will send the data to the desired mail ID and the WhatsApp access. So if you click this share button, it will open the share access through WhatsApp or a mail or any other uh, related accesses that if it is in Telegram is installed here, and you can share it to Telegram, and Kick Share is there, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, so in different modes, and Excel sheet, CSV, and everything is exportable in the desired format. As of now, my presentation is completed, and I think you have well aware of these things, subject matter, but with subject matter we can do the analysis work, but these kind of manual works we have to use this technology to save a lot of data. So with the teachings of my trainers at AA level 2 course, I got this knowledge and very thankful for them and trained me and cleared my doubts, and now I'm capable of this doing this kind of app on my own. So thank you very much each and every person who supported me, and I'm completing my session here.